Number 1. As with any workout, let's start with a little warm-up. How many squares do you see here? You have 30 seconds to count them all. Time's up! Are you ready with your answer? I hope you came up with 40, because that's exactly how many squares, big and small, are here.
Hello kids, welcome to this logical math tutorial. Today we're gonna have a cinema at home. Let's organize a movie night. The purpose of this class is to practice additions using quantities up to 100 and the value chart. We require some specific materials as paper, pencil, and the eraser. So, to enjoy this night, we need to follow some specific steps. Number 1, pick a movie. What kind of movies do you like? Do you like the kids movie, maybe some romance, the comedy ones, the heroes, sci-fi? What do you like? Step number 2, select your preferences. I'm going to show you what the cinema offers. We have tickets for adults and for kids. Here are the prices. Also, we have the snacks for the children, popcorn and lemonade, the VIP chair for the 3D movies and for the 2D movies. Also, we have a menu for the adults. We have fries and lemonade. And you can take home a souvenir, maybe a toy or a photo, so you pick what you want. In the step number 3, we are going to solve the operations. Follow this example for each person that you invited. So here, in my case, I'm going to buy a ticket for an adult. It costs 32 pesos. My snacks are 34 pesos. So I'm going to solve this addition. I always start adding the numbers from the ones column. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. So this is the final answer. Now I continue with this one. I pick a 3D movie and I'm going to take a photo for my house. So I'm going to start the operation always adding the numbers from the ones column. So 0 plus 2 equals 2. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now that you know how to do it, you have to follow the same steps for your mom, your dad. Look at here for your dad, for your mom, your little sister, your brother, your grandma, and for you. Now that you know, we have to go to the step number 4, the logistics. So, schedule a night for this movie, maybe on Saturday or Sunday night. Create the tickets in a piece of paper. Organize the place for the movie, maybe in your living room. Ask your parents to help you with the food. And finally, enjoy the movie with your family. So guys, thank you a lot for your participation. Remember to send me the evidences to my email. So thank you again and see you next time.